But basically, when you're reaching out to investors, you have to understand that there's always like a middleman. Usually there's a middleman in between those investors, because many of the times the investors, they won't put themselves out there. They're usually really private, and the ones that have the money usually don't like being on platforms like Preqin or PitchBook, and they're really kept to themselves. So one strategy that I applied, I actually got in touch with a billionaire in China who set up a deal for an Australian client. This was years ago. This was about going on 4 years ago now. So the way that we reached out to him was focusing on the proxy. Basically, there's somebody who knows somebody who knows somebody. And so the idea is, if you're reaching out to people who you don't have a relationship with, you just have to look for win-win games to incentivize that person to introduce you to the right investor. So like if you look at companies called investment banks, they're basically supposed to help people raise money in exchange for a part of the money that they raise.